Welcome back to Unlocked. Today we're looking at two go-to products that should already be in the back of your van. The ASEC British Standard 5-lever Sashlock and Deadlock. Both meet BS 3621 2007 standards, which mean they're insurance approved and built for solid home security. Each lock comes with a set of 2 keys, a faceplate, a box keep, escutcheons and fixings in a clearly labelled box, making it easy to quickly identify when stored on a shelf or in racking in the back of your van. These are built to take abuse and they remain secure. Let's start with the Sashlock. It's ideal for front doors where you need both latch and deadbolt functionality. It works with lever handles and keeps the door held shut when pushed to using the latch, and when the deadbolt is engaged using the key, the door is securely locked shut. And here's the Deadlock. A solid pick for back doors or secondary access points where you only need a key-controlled deadbolt. Clean, secure and simple. Both locks feature a 5-lever mechanism for high security, perfect if you're managing multiple access points for a single customer. They're easy to fit, backed by the ASEC quality guarantee, and they give your customers peace of mind, especially when you're upgrading from non-British standard locks. You've got that all-important kite mark, so no issues when insurers ask for compliance. Use the Sashlock for front entrances and communal doors or anywhere you're replacing a mortise lock with handles, and use the Deadlock for rear doors, cellar access, side gates and anywhere you need secure key access without a handle setup. 2 solid options, both BS 3621 rated, both packed with anti-attack features, are both built to be easily installed and run smoothly. Whether it's an upgrade job, insurance compliance or part of a full home lock overhaul, the ASEC BS Sashlock and Deadlock have you covered. Grab yours now at aldridgesecurity.co.uk. Just search ASEC BS Sashlock or ASEC BS Deadlock to get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next episode of Unlocked.